This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alex Rodriguez. Virtually staged. True resort-style living at its finest. Unwind and relax in this new home that is being beautifully furnished. Walk into a large open floor plan and enjoy your pool and water views. This home offers 3 spacious bedrooms and a flex room with French doors for added privacy. The gourmet kitchen has a large island for entertaining, custom built-ins in the walk-in pantry, KitchenAid stainless steel appliances, and opens to the dining and living space. Trey ceilings open up the living room with a built-in fireplace and accent wall with flat-screen TV and a zero-corner sliding doors that lead out to the covered lanai. Triple split floor plan allows for all guests' privacy. Master suite is large with huge custom built-in closet, extended walk-in shower, and double sinks. Guest bedrooms have custom built-in closets. Laundry and hallway drop zone also have custom built-ins for added storage. Relax in your saltwater pool or heated spa and overlook the water views through your panoramic screen. Lanai is pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen and also features a retractable screen for added privacy when needed. Impact windows and doors, custom blinds, epoxy floors in 3 extended garage, large lot and plenty of parking space in the driveway. This community will be full of amenities, lifestyle director, restaurant, pickleball, resort pool, fitness, and much more. Why wait to build, add a pool or furniture when this one has them all? For more information, review the details below or contact Alex Rodriguez at 954-752-5100.